Today we talk about how can you clear history on your Zello app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Zello app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on options, just click on it. You come to this list here, then all you have to do now, so you just click here on history, just click on it here. Then you come to this list here, then you click here on clear all. When you just click on it, then it's going to clear with you on your Zello app. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.